why hello, you know, we don't say I am musician, no, the people don't, the boy all of this scatter table, let go. I go, Mona, shut up my mouth. Mona, tell me, say, make I shut up my mouth, because Bono, Jerry, or Mereta, or I tell you, ha, Edo State. Especially Benin musician. They go do now. They go do now. Which kind witch they worry now? Which witch they worry those musicians? What in why? Who be that native doctor? Who be that person? All on zeni. Una too dey disgrace una self. Una no dey shame. Even if say they don't tell una say you don't do. Una no go know say you don't do. Ha! Osha bugbe. Ebi wa luye shame velo aba. Too much. You no good. Una dey frustrate una people. Ha! Even since I don't dey abroad. Since I don't there abroad, I never see this kind of thing before. What we say we ya lehwe. What say we reaction high. A lobu nuwa type, a roba nuwa na tape lobu. Why we say ne rani no we heal. Why we say rani a we heal. Ha! Otwa mu wagbe. It's too much. It's too much. Bea. Abakwe di wage nye piva luine. Wakwe to bo walenge nyone. Una no dey use brain. Ha! I didn't which self not even behave like this. Why go draw one? Why go drive? Why go tap it? Why musician neredo wow. Why me occasion je vais do? On the see occasion go again. Europe people, Evi ipe kwe kona, evi li kwe be, on se va cha to agbe. E gada revi, evi yo bobo. Where they take something, they see they release hands small. E gada revi, evi yo bobo. Make una see say 1 year. Why we go na se near we boy. If I they talk and they say lovely, shut up. Now you they spread the money. It's too much. Una too they abuse things. Ha! God forbid. We abusing me be my man. Every year, yet to year, most. You know what? The when be ebeluwa. Waki yogenya una wan kon make another person wreck. At the end of the day, una will come wreck. Or shogenya amie biwa saboro nemi lu. Una don't feel use this one to do anything. It's too much. At the waka they come now see this picture when I put for years so when Sandoka when she come they talk say people went there abroad. Yes, abroad, ya fini ya we ya ni make the still look for time. If people went there abroad still reach Nigeria, make they see they honor them. Even he said that they do something for party, make they see they come. Make they see they come say yes. But that word when Sandra talk, Sandra, you don't let before you talk. Una si say una don't they go down now. Wakerege nyaya bone rivebole bonya eye figo now na carry this wayokon. Ha! Even he said they don't tell una say he don't do. Una no say he don't do wakpa gwaligoa. Why say una no they play for Edo State again? Why nothing una no they play for Edo State again? Ha! Now what for now? Which kind of wish be this? People when you now that people no go ever progress for their life. Oh no, see Keva. Now you say come abroad now. Benin people for abroad nyaha. But if you reach Benin, or one way come here Benin, I wear on I wear Bourget, or more one on my way for 5 years or so 1 night. If you say another one, they'll say, in a Benin person, now they do this also. If for how many years, or about to know one on my way. Ha! Area waje I'm not let them breathe. If I talk and I don't say lovely, wait, because you confine me. Ayogenya, elware guge. Iwoge sayo, leke nudore, leke nudore. I make me here ni sije. Isije vare lowo busok malo, lware guge o. Ha! Too much. Too much. Too much of everything is bad. Bea. Benin musician waiting. Bea. Una chop witch. While I say, ha! What doing? What echo down? Now what type? I got tap. Like when una waje nanya. Hade mi na me wawe nya. Me wawe. I can donate blood for anybody when need blood because I be me I was a hospital. The office wire for here. I was fixing wire you me walo. I was see. I don't know I care with I can only me on man. Ha! Or too much wala. Too much for now. Too much of everything is bad. Ha, but you now evolu. Hoji me, oh, I'm going to wa. As a wakia. Una be witch. Ayogenya, bono railway yare choazi. This one when Sadoka come they talk so Sadoka, unane. All those things you are just saying because una see say you don't dey rough, nyaha. You don't dey rough. People don't they come out again, come they spray again. Now I make una be one con. Now I make una come now. One con use another title stay come. So that thing is why we kure we don't fin wa. Ha! What doing? What wicked igbe? You people, you are too wicked. Every day, month to month, walking ha! Ejada revi, I wear your bobo. Ha! Awa wena akio, ayona gole. Dale hen no, adayona ke session mi hen. Edio waje ya, wakan. Ha! People when they abroad. Say wa my man to wa banoa. Ene banoa nese na. Ene banoa nese na. Ena why I don't understand. Why banoa? Bini people wait there abroad. See frustration. Una don't frustrate. Why can warigo? You people don't know. You don't value currency. Why currency? No get Nigeria. Why currency? Go to Western Union ma. Go to Africa shore. Go to black market. €100 now, my people. €100. You don't almost reach 200,000. Ono bugwanya 200,000 go reach and take carry tipper of smiths, tipper of sand. All those Benin musicians. Una be winch. Azevahi. Ejada revi have you but una be winch it too much. Ha! Baba no never ta. Baba to Baba never ta. Baba to Baba never ta. Ashabugbe do ye there. If it's too much, they use until they do parable. That time when I stubborn, Mama will say, lovely. I say, Mommy, I hear you. Lovely. I say, Ma. Lovely. I say, Ma. You say, how many times I call you? I say, Mama, you call me 3 times. You go say, oh, Abugbe, do ye there? I say, Mama. Mama say, oh, Abugbe, do ye there? But don't Abugbe reki. Aye there. I hear you tiku. Ha! Good evening, my darling. It's too much. Benin musician make una total your word. You people, you are very wicked souls. You people, you are very wicked. You are wicked, Igbe. Ha! Jesus Christ. Are you serious? Ha! Una be winch as in working ya. Ha! Wawasu otiwa no rewe bo wawasu ya so wawasu ya. Oh no, the time when I they grow up, the one way born mama, my grandfather, when born mama, he gets when we talk of lands, he get plantain, and not be plantain, rubber plantation. People they tap the lobber. If they tap the lobber, get where they go tap and reach. Mama go talk say he don't do, no na still live on. He get where you go tap lobber reach, you go live on, may recover back again. When you don't reach, the people when they tap the lobber, mama will say no, may there's no na still live on. No, make it still he. And true, it dey he. True, it dey he. A robber ya no wo tedo no we bini esao e bini o ye wadi afa mani agwa do state we get rubber plantation and we can swa base I swear I we say I no na see live no we ruarua ha una be witch abeg person when e dey pray make another person you no good e go nu wa kian we miewo why can't we ya when you see? It's too much. Waiting. Even he said they don't tell now, they use to now have walking waiting that they carry this life, they go. Ha! My people when come on from Nigeria, come Europe, they want come betterment of their life. If you reach Benin City, now few Benin people when they abroad, you go see their house complete. Few. Now they go anywhere. Mama who there like we bo any. Well, Pastor Suleiman Yohenya, if you too give, you no good. Who begin? Now so my Dalio, Evelyn. It's too much, no. You know, say if people they do something for this life, if person no come tell they say don't do, the office waiting that they do is good. Not be they go hate to, not be they go hate Luna. Uktu waye beni amiefo. Especially people when they Europe, they give people when they Nigeria, they give them body see finish. So now I talk now waiting cause you don't go there, go spray. I don't feel spray. He spray. If I want carry musician, I'll carry musician. You go dance. Some even say, no, let me one date occasion. When I know say I know how to dance now. Me I bear na iki never me see what tell me. Who I want carry musician for? If I want to say I carry musician for person, na mama, I want carry musician for, not be anybody. Mama, now I want carry musician for. Say if I want carry musician, na mama, not be anybody. Yes. It's too much. Too much. Get it too much. What's no? Ah. If you now see people now when he build house now, or you can't or one year boy. They got to say, you forget money. You see they go, you see they do this one. You see they do runs. You see, you know they do runs. The one when people na they see money for na state now, so they see they see money. Can't let that land. How many times you see say musicians say they can't let that land? What kind let that land? Let that land. The konere let that land. Yaro susu. Don't let that land women follow you do susu. Let that land women. Oru okpa mo susu we let that land women. Eso mu 7,000. Yeah mu 7,000. Yeah mu 4,000. The next month I will not be here. The second month I will not be here. You don't see say let that land. You come they do party. Who get that time? Any woman, any Benin woman when they let that land say no get house for Nigeria. You go no say that they warrior for a village. Who can let warrior? Wait is Sandra, wait till they talk for ye. You say wa rene. Ewo ne rewe boya try nugwa. Wewe oteme wewe to where I want to talk. Because none of una way be say e good. As you see me so, I not go talk say now you good pass the rest. Una be the same. They say the bear on the same feather in a cotifua pew. Wa ube. Wa be hegwebo. Wa be rest. Wa be we 1 year mami wa. Ebo ne rewe boni ave kokiko ni ave ya we wi yemi now. All of them go say abibini na bini na bi. Bini people they travel where. See Bini as una travel rich. Then they for not see land for Bini again. Everywhere go full for house. Again ya even no wa. I am your turn up wa the Bini o. I will go ayagboli igwe. I will go gyobo. I will go afiame. I will go aka. I will go yoko. I gbole bokia. I gbole o akekere na gbole si otegbo. Too much. Bini people when they abroad there, not be good na they do. Yes, evalu. Now me they do pass. Maybe they come see me say, now me love them pass. Una love not be love. Una love not be love. Don't they love like that? Too much. Sandra Igbogun say, wahiae. Ben can ta wahiae. What's on the Sandra Igbogun na we wahiae? Iya miege nya iya ejiku. Iya ye migo. Aye bien on ladzia. Also na we wahiae. Ni ave. Make the still put fuel for yourself on a generator. Now they start to work. Genya why so wa if they can't reach house, make we see the respect them, make we see the honor them, no matter how. Not be say if they can't reach house, if they can't say that they do party, yeah. And now drive for them, hang on for up, remove some. Yeah, for upstairs. Just spread it on top of any district there. Say, even if they come, that they do something, Benin musician, make they still try. Say if they invite them, make they still go. Not be say they go talk, say they get dance for here, make they still they go meet them. Even if say how many minutes, make they still they go there, go they meet them. Or tell me, we may try or time, but you're late in Sandra Igbogun, you try for that talk, but you don't late. It's a late talk you talk. Wa miegenya, you go ye raw, now they find who na go please. This time you go displease yourself. I didn't never tell. What you want with va? I don't know what thing that una they sing. Me lonely so I get le when I tie. Na Benin musician when they abroad, na they sing pasuna. Benin people, they get the way when they think they do something. When be say, if I see sometimes, we get never rene, it they hard. Later they say, na my papa, na him cause my papa wife, na make me no better, na my mama brother, na make na lie, na no gree better about myself. Wa we be no wa we be dan or wa ne e ko dan e ko atosi. It's too much. What's that? What are you guys doing? What's this? All the time. Je go finish. Since 4 years now. They don't want happy webo. What happy webo? Hey, where me type on I call my house. Yashan Louis has a musician. If I want to do something, I go pay for musician. If musician to carry money, you go be 400,000. We are at 200. We are at 200 Romania 400,000. Don't ready for musician. Ha! What work big? Eko down. Benin musician eko down wa me. Ege no sayo more ya arewebo. No ya ajewebo ege ni may he so rest in perfect peace. Well, sayo more come abroad that time. Or are ukba. Or ekere. Enafigoa. Osa mother amudere ni equal to amune go di your uru. They'll go they put go for a neck. Once you no go come again. Edede be ya. Be the musician be make una enter house. I don't see where to they sing. Be waso. Egya na kpekpe me, egya o, dedigwe, bagbe, lovie, no latia, draru, uarulekia, wairulekia, ogun dot the gbe, tata music, ani ayagbe ya. Ani okay, tell me where lovely you be racist. I know they play Benin music. I say, we also ni can't pay. All the way so egya o, ya ibo well, brother, iverule egya o. Iwani akpe na ya rule no. I negia who my people. Oyakato ta. Ole yo lere me na we agani babare beto. Ole yo lere age baba. Ha! See the second one that day. A park bobe. A police also who. A park bobe before you know police also got too much. It's too much. Bea. Echo down one na be witch. Allah. Wa home kuna koma konsaga mi anonseuna. Hey! Heavy abenie. Ah! Eva wegbe. Hey! We vient d'ouvrir webo. Il vient d'ouvrir webo. Des fois, bro, live there, go sit there. Ya worry. Oh, computer building, half building, half building, half building, build. And they say, but way, they don't. The window don't scrape down. Half building full everywhere. Ah, what be? Benin musician wala, oh, why see one? Me one Benin musician ni meso. Ni me. Oh, na what ye? Frabombo. Ah. Wa wegbe my man, wa me. What is this? What una not going for filmmaker? Because the ticket wanna go buy take come abroad. Why they make it? Because of too much igbe. Ebo ni ave do afinu wa we webo, in ave so wa, ni ma ve ono ya, ni ma ve respect ya Sandra woman rere la di andota. Oye ve wa kerege nya ekigbuwane. Ekigbeba bona ekigbaza nama. Ekigbeba bona ekigbaza nama. Una don't see say, una don't they go down. Now una bring this topic. Whatever we want. You know waiting. Now people went there abroad. Now they give una body si finish. Inya yegbe nuwa mi for gbe. Ow! If you na let me na come out from you, I don't use na take make yeje. You know consign me. Ya never make yeje for I go drink coke on top of una head. I know they drink. Yeah, we say they drink wine. Was a way ya let that Isha woman. I will because of una to drunk at that day. I go curse una. Mona enter house. See too much. Ha? If you these people, if you need these people, you can never progress for your life. All those people, they be enemy of progress. Enemy of progress now na be. Ha! A hopeful yeah. Why do na why dog me? Ahwe me dog me. Idi ahwe me dog me. What should be work me? Dikuni work me. I don't see the dance on the dance. Remember that you don't even so. I know even see. Only the one when I see you see say you see they see better song now. Now that one they shout for Facebook which they say they put copyright for music. Now so that one they shout say if one no get yet me one no swilo. Oh my God. Are you guys serious? Who gets song now? No get right to his song again. If he come dey plan, and they'll tell us say na copyright. I will say Facebook fit do all of una like that. As the lady they talk, I say he say he no get right for his song again now. Yeah, they ask me in your voice now, eh? In your voice now, he don't get copyright. When that my darling, you don't laugh. In your voice now, don't get copyright. O akisha bugbe edoye de. Bini musician beg. Why won't hold kuwa? Ewo tap every day. Too much. I don't even know who the hell una. I don't even see what they hate for una. Like me now, one man will sit down, you can't hear me, I can't carry bundle of money like this, don't spray. I smoke moro when they not remove the seed. Ti see but me a marry seed not get na here. Ha! It's too much. They never see anything. Let your song now don't they shout. Let your song now, your voice now don't get copyright. But oh, let your song. Egbe fẹ́ mi jawan. Wọ́n bá ṣe mi. Me I tell now. Bini actress, any Edo artist, musician, you people should be very careful. You now see abroad people, they are very dangerous. The day they need do waji, the day when they go do waji, Osha too much gbe. It's too much. Ha! They don't know how they let them make. Our president say, let them breathe. Wagi on breath. I don't know, Sandra Lareo. Which one you can't talk for inside now? Sandra Sadoka. Then the way daughter, my sister, I don't understand you. Okay, you are becoming now. You don't reach 2 years now. Say make I not lie or make I not go lie. More author say you don't reach 2 years now. From 2 years now. Now, you know, say, una supposed to dey. Even they get chance, they get space, they create space for people when they spray for una. If una come abroad, if they reach Nigeria, if they see they do party, una still supposed to see go honor them. From there, my darling sister, you right, better late in wa mi ekigbuwa now na bring this idea again. Now Skiminya follow you sit down for there. No, not be Skiminya. Now Skiminya be na Charlie Brown. Hey, Charlie Brown. I be that brother where they release. Hey, pada ya say I be gonna tell you anything na. Oh no, I beg. Too much of everything is bad. Or I shall bugboye shall me velo aba. Ha! You see now, if they can come, Benin people full Europe. Now we got Europe. Now Benin people go Europe. Go Nigeria, go Benin City. Where see, they don't say, yes back. Yes back. Western Union say, the way where money they enter in those states, especially Benin, they never see state where money enter, rich like that. Akimu Banyanare, the state when money they enter, people went there abroad. None of them they finish their house. None of them they finish their house. Ha! Erio wakaya. I tell other musician, he get one woman. Whether they call the woman, whether na essay, and they no go one bowa, na be. Na essay. I say no go one book wow no abi me I no go lie oh. Like say now if na she make now just let me know. I say no go. Like say now I say when they foundation abi wetin you call am. I don't know whether na she oh no say sometimes so na the same face now that they get As I dey watch I think her live video which day. I think her live video was I think 3 days now I see that live video I not come no again. He go carry one baba we don't act moving, act. He can carry the baba, the baba don't spend 34 years for rent. Now 34 years, now he spend for rent. The woman come to say, make people buy land for the man. Make they come see build house put for the land. My people, if the man do take for that house, if you now want say make it come up for that house, now we'll go rent another apartment for her. They come to say, make people come they donate. And not be say this man I get land though. Okbani talk. Wetin the essay talk now. He say, now I said that I don't know what it be. Whether now the say when I they see you, I don't know. Whether now another person, you know, say there is most of the sometimes now the same face that they get that face when he run like this thing. Nyagbodo drive door munu fiawe o gigban I ba tie kere. He can't they tell people for Facebook say now people went there abroad if they talk to no person went there Nigeria. There is no person when they Nigeria when he go feel help person they build house. He go come put money say make build house. He no dey for Nigeria. We know say not be Nigeria. Now abroad, now people went there abroad. Say the man no get land. Say wetin the fair do now make the fair buy land for the man. Ha! Now say he never Bini people. Oh, why you even here? Well, I don't get mama, I don't get papa again. No can go gwa omo, gemi no can you go. Why you here? Why won't you? Why me rock pa? I dey work some my man. Or some oh my go, or ma say yo. Now cut us okay. If they can't give you, they'll can't donate money now, they'll can't give you. You'll can't use that buy land for that man. There, if you can't buy land finish, now these same people go see donate money when now will see they build the house. Ah, many people that do now, I beg. Make una pray, put say anybody, anytime when you take receive, you work finish, you earn your money every month. Say you receive salary. That mind when they say go give, they ban that mind. Cast that mind come out for your body. You see that mind cast and command. Rebuke her. Mind when they say go give this one. After you don't receive your salary. Ban it. Rebuke it. Ayogenya otoale khone. Iwo khewo kimi yogenya emwa to you. He said na evening na they greet farmers if they come for farm. Ha! Ah! Wow! Ha! These people went there, bro, they can reduce their self. I don't even know. They can reduce their self. I don't look there sometimes. I say, oh. Now this is me, I know the fish, I know they continue to the shout like that. If I shout small, I go relax because they don't train me to the shout. Now even Facebook now reach now come the shout. I don't know how to shout. Eh? Ni kwa behona. Ah wow. Eh? Ha! This one don't too much. That must be 100 euro. I must be 100 euro. Go Nigeria. 100 euro, almost 200,000 now. I must be 200 euro. 200 euro, almost 400,000. 400,000 now. If you put 1 million naira now, where 1 point something, you go see land buy. If before you go know, you see that place. Before you know, people will come they buy land. Come they buy land. I'm going to add them no before you know, buildings go full there. I don't know what and it's the worst part of it. This musician one they give them this money, they don't get respect. They all they look their chest. And I call look their sometimes say, what should I even teach you be? And these people when they make shakara for now, they do this thing for. If now they come, they will go buy cloth for now. So will give una money. So will give una this thing. Una no go still give them respect. Now, person when you ignore these people, when not they mind these people, like those people respect personal. Allah. People when not they mind them, now they respect. What I see for Bini, if you they respect Bini person, you know, I'll give you that respect back, oh. Now, not they respect them, neither they go respect, oh. I don't know them. I know them very well. What's this? All my mate, people went there abroad. All my mates, they don't they build house. Oh, why book be? You know how much for flat for Benin there now? Flat now they carry flat 600,000, 1 million. Or 2 flats, Now 2 flat now you build 2 million. They wait for you for a year. 2 million. Or a quarter can't even. Or 500,000, 1 million for a year. May they account. 1 million, calculator for a year into 5 places. You don't get 5 million for there. Now, old age, now that they do something, wait for old age. Old age. Now that you'll see some women will be pensioner. Not be if you consider that they carry big bags, that they put big gold for neck, that they waka, majestically. You think say na pensioner money. No, not the money where they keep. Money where they keep. Money where they keep. Now they tell them when they don't pensioner the money, now they'll continue they travel. Small. Ha! Wa wu gbe. E dada remi, avie yo bobo. Bini musician, only say, why you your bono one? Ayogenya, bugwa, what is you? Why may you bomb away? If they come, if these people they come, the house where they're going to put them, when they're going to eat first. If they even they come, they're not going to say, make they use their luggage, they carry crayfish, go give them, if they crayfish, yamuge, or make a bag bolo, go give them. No, what una they why to the report in there, why do I get on the railway po? Torino, we are here. Torino, we are here. I will say now the time when Torino be Torino. Therefore, don't use bottle to drive now. Then any Torino, there you Torino no. Ow! Oh, gole, book barrier, what I never bo. It's too much. Musicians don't fair con that time. Osa your more don't con that time. Osa your more not just they con every. I wish Osa more say make it they con every day by day. Osa your more if for too rich for that Bini, but the man not doing like that. Bini city or na cook me one. It's too much. Avec echo dan wa ne. Bini musician echo dan. Oh, if you still be Ishan, you see the call echo be or near. Ejivada remi have your bubble. Ejada remi have your bubble. It's too much. I don't say that lovely, you the jealousy, they don't reach me to jealousy. Where I want jealousy there for? What it concern me? But it's too much. Or Bugbash have very low. If it's too much, you not good again. Yes. No matter how musician go play rich, if they don't they dance small, you go pack it is commot. Too much. Ha! Wa wicked igbe my man. This Benin musician una chop witch. Una witch it double big. Na double witch. No na chop. Wa make her dangbe. It's too much. You people you are too wicked. Everywhere 1 year wa amami wa. You people should perish, disappear. We say 1 year, they don't see una. I don't know where to they sing. Me my kunuwakwe, I don't know where to they sing. You won't pa. Or it was it. That be ya, you won't pa. Why so be? Enemy they come and jump us and guanco. Enemy they come and jump us and guanco. Move, mama, you no get away. Only was so. Me man only was so aba. You will be in me like how you could do. Me like any was so da. Any low was so. Biba was so. Which music una they sing when all those people when they Europe they dance put. The lonely vaso. It's too much. Why can't you say it? Una don't scrape the rich. Yes, my darling. Is he edit Angel? Which music that they sing? Like Sadoka now, I don't see music when Sadoka they sing. I never see. I the one when even sing was at the time when I take dance. Now they get that even. Music they sing go one side, and the dance go one side. Which music Sadoka don't sing? And me ba mi o. Or reward don't know what they body very time. Eh? Oh, you won't power so where they saw me. Only one you pay a national anthem Noah. Eh? A national anthem Noah. I saw me national team. On your power no our day we bo I woke up at you so they we are coming to scatter everywhere. I don't see where not they scatter. We are coming to scatter everywhere. This one that we are coming, we are going to shake Torino. We go shake Padova. We go shake Eindhoven. We go shake Milan. We go shake we go shake Vicenza. We go shake Roma. We go shake everywhere. I don't see where to they play. Why silo aba? Osha too much be. Ha! Bea! Now so una witch, eh? You know they sleep. Wame eko dran wame. Una too they type. Una too know na oh. Ebole bo wa ye gboze obo. Ne no se gbo ye do tore ne le be dolu webole bo. Oribo. Ha! I don't understand. Sadoka. This one when you can't talk so. Or let in now they tell say wafie who for go with the jeriwo. Oh wafio ni safo mi ayata wafie efie who for go ni saye rivo. Ona nya go ni saye rivo o eki ona. Ha. I don't even know this kind of fake love one they give. Fake love. They will do you like this, they'll hug you like this, they'll do like this. Hey, yeah, now so the man can't be. If they say Jessica now buy boot to go give Sandra. Atiti wants to go buy boot to go give Sandra. If Atiti if Lovely say Atiti buy boot to go give Sandra. Rebecca will see buy boot to go give Sandra. Now these people, as they say, that they do competition of love, where love no day. No love. You need musician, I beg. You don't do, those states, musician. When they call Europe, me una see call Europe, now come see go holiday. Me una see spend una money. Why the Europe do spend the holiday? Why genya iku wamure wamamu igbinare iku wamure igbina wamure na iku igbina nahi. Wanna let people wait there Europe, wanna let them breath or too much igbe. I want you wa ni arewe be ya God they frustration. You go see that they go day party ezigi kworo ingwongworo they go pack and put for neck. Iya ga agbuke iya yezi ekita na muyi ohakpaga gogogogoro mewe ba tie na ha this is too much. It's too much. Una to get bad mind. Una wa wicked digbe wa wegbegbe. Awa mi no never ta me kise gege me da ba wo tie na. Let us wake our people let us wake them off for their snowball, for their frustration. It's too much. Europe, Nigeria actress, Abina artist, music, I beg. No talk say in 3 years time, no that not come again. In 3 years time, why you re? Wage aban waso, wage, mona let the aba, mona let her heal. Yes. Mona let her heal. The rubber plantation when una they crash every day. Wa solo every day. Wa we let her he. Wa 3 years. Una still give 3 years to people when they spray for una. Una still give the 3 years. Make the take he. It's too much. Ya gog. Or for night there be. Everything when there's you'll see woman when they abroad. When supposed to deal with gold at the age where you don't stay for abroad, you don't spend 22 years for abroad, you don't spend 30 years, 35 years for abroad. Now a ziggy kworo is still they put for body. A ziggy kworo. These people they don't know currency. Well, why we natural currency? You people you abuse currency, you don't know how to spend currency, you don't know how to use currency. Obodojibo. Una way call obodojibo. How many times una don't see ojibo? Now today they'll say one musician they come from Milan, they come Amsterdam, you want to play. Tomorrow, another one they come from the same Milan, you want to play for Amsterdam. Next tomorrow, another one they come from the same Milan, you want to play for Amsterdam. Waiting, who want go again? It's too much. Una too wicked, that beg. Una wicked and no good. Person no feel better for where una day. Here where you go here spray. Later that they say you go. Now money that they spray. Now money that they spray. You go here spray. Why not they come? Mona see come holiday. Holiday. If una come holiday, mona go hotel. Warrior hotel. Yes. Mona go hotel. Go stay for hotel. When wise teaching say. Why ye hotel? Oh, wajo. Why we ya you hotel? Why ye hotel? Ha! Now wow, una dey try sha. For Benin for there, they know they do party for there again. Wedding no dey take place. No ceremony they take place for Benin again. I mu wawedo, ama on wawedo. They don't know una. I know, nobody they carry una for Benin. That make una they come abroad. I will say that tutu they carry una for Benin, una for not come abroad. Because una can't think ticket money. Yes, una for not come abroad. Now they carry on for Benin. Nobody know una as musician for Benin. Now Europe, now people can't know say una they sing. I don't even know the music una they sing safe. Which music? The second one that was say up here we are here or more. I can't very down okay. The fella use that they use percussive the test knife. That one I'm using. I very down yo. Agboviola yeke oye sagbobo e. Iba mu e o. So blana no we have no say na true I talk. It too much. Nekweze we amugwa. Ama nekwe mu agyo eki. Omo nekwe mu agyo eki. Una too do. Ha! Yetoje, moto, yoto. Wabe, mona still put 3 years. Wabe the 3 years is your. I don't see say, now this one make me not like to wear this thing. Okay, I remember now. I don't see say, nah, una not the, and they know they say, they know the people not they come again. They don't they go, yeah, Europe people, What tap here, tap. Why me I go for ne? Because they say no my day. If you see them for Benin, they not they greet them. Una person will come for Europe. That person come your dance as a musician. They don't go anywhere. They don't want to bring themselves loyal to people. But you see this Edo musician, they want people to be loyal to them. Musicians, they loyal to everybody. But you see these particular people, they don't want to loyal. I don't know waiting that they look themselves. And if you see them, if you shake them like this, nothing there. Nothing there. We are only where she coming now. Every rock party war. They carry eagle like this, they do like this. And nothing there, they now shake them now. They go shake. We are doing now shaking now. In for. And you are making now. If Boise maybe Torino, Yari Torino, or not Charlie Brown Bawa Kikere with Torino now. Now let Charlie Brown don't de Torino. Now let Charlie Brown de Torino. Charlie Brown mate. Yari Torino. It's already Canada. They Canada. Charlie Brown mate. They Canada. I will say Charlie Brown say no be prison when you go all those nyama gbege. Charlie Brown for don't even see common self. Most of Charlie Brown mates, all of them don't relocate go Nigeria. They run hotel for Nigeria. They run hotel. Oneki nyoma eri yekpo. Oeji most of these old school men can remain today. Now they with the biaka can they change cigar for hand. Baba Damosa. If you reach Lagos, Benin men when you get hotel for Lagos, you know how many. I sure where ya fiame abegbe ukoran akiri ka tapoti de gbohun. I sure that you corridor that never do to. At this time not supposed to date there again. Is that not Charlie Brown? It's Charlie Brown. That mother came out from prison few months ago. Charlie Brown, he not supposed to even day well na sit down puso. Akiyo, Charlie Brown wakije. Akiyo Charlie Brown oriwi hotel no so ewe ko. Ole nya, nya. Niya, my tane won't be. You don't tell where we don't know those men. We don't tell some use tattoos, some they all of them. How we live Asaji Kerele. All of them now, they know they show again. All of them don't suffer, go somewhere, go, you know. Some of them travel, go Canada, some of them they America, some of them they from America, they go Nigeria, go stay for their hotel. Ki babari. Why ki babari? Why ki baba Charlie Brown? De ki pekpenu. Wadi ki Charlie Brown? Why ki Charlie Brown na? Eki pek. Everybody Charlie Brown fina, musician when Charlie Brown don't spray for when Charlie Brown young. The musician they don't die. Like the Musayomore. Yes, like the Musayomore. When you are talking of sales, Ayomore travel come that time. Now the Charlie Brown, now the whole ground that time. That time the Charlie Brown was very young. The Charlie Brown was young. Yes, c'est sorry Torino, sont des Verona, sont des Padova, Binime. Ayo ni waki dado na wine Charlie Brown. Now wine Charlie Brown they follow small children, they sit down, they negotiate, they come play for year, they will go Nigeria, they will go on up there for Nigeria. I beg you. I know they blame them, but you know when it's too much, it's too much. When it's too much, it's too much. No. Years back, I think it was 2012. 2012. That's the first time when I don't see Flavor for ground. Flavor Nabania. 2012. Flavor Nabana he come Holland here, Amsterdam. That was the first time when I see Flavor Nabania. Since then, I don't know whether Flavor Nabania don't come. Since then, I don't know whether it don't come. I go when it come 2012. I go the show for Amsterdam. I go the show. Musicians know they do one like this, the way these Benin people they do one. Yes, musicians know they do one like that. And where are your honegbe? People wanna see the type. Wanna still let the heal. It's too much. Everything we just should not handle na must abuse am. Or till the day when they go carry bottle, chook am for na eye. Now go enter house. Guys not there again. Guys here in area. Okay, make the musician they come. Not be this city with they. They'll say make the musician they come. Now they say I'll tell me my tea or too much. Ni a yere. I see Benin guys. Hey nah. You go say mountain or too much be. Ni a yere. Why yere? Too much of everything is bad. Eki kuwa rorua. See, you see one that the one akbobe. Your defense, you job or every time. Police involved that neck because it's too much. Ha! I beg make una as una dey come, I beg. Make una tell them say come. Make I carry una go beg for surety. Why are you with surety one day? They will sit down for any supermarket. They say, Signora, because of the manjari. If they feel give you money, you will say, now so Euro be. Now red coins, now they give you red coins, €1, 50 cents, 20 cents, 1 coins, €1, 50 cents. Now be before. When you tell say, Signora, you farm, you avoid majority, go open wallet, he go give you €200. He will give you €200, he will give you €50. You will say, make you go do spacer. See the one way in Nigeria now, he say, one Benin actor say don't spend 34 years for one house when he rents for how many years? The woman whether na SA foundation people that they call her, be like say na she. He say make they come donate, make they take buy land for the man. Who want donate the money? You know people went there abroad. If they buy the land finish, then these same people go still build the house, put for the land. My people want donate. You know people went there abroad. As Nigeria they hustle, a tuber of yam is 12,000, 15,000. Now a person want to donate money for person for Nigeria, make the build house. Wawe ni be, wawe or abubeye ma. Because this person, Mama Naomi, because Mama Naomi, they got that they build house for one musician. Now una call they carry people, abroad people, to ware to susenagboa. Ware do susenagbo. Go see Justice Suleiman. Justice Suleiman say when you give too much, it's not good. Today now, Justice Suleiman don't change Simon. Not be Bible when he preach. More than 8 years ago, not be Justice Suleiman they preach now. Justice Suleiman don't switch, they preach another thing. The church don't make Justice Suleiman rich. Justice Suleiman is a rich man. Now, he don't they preach, stop giving. Stop giving. Because they don't make Justice Suleiman rich. People will use you to climb up. When they come rich, you when they come they collect money for your hand that time, you go come be taba. They not come respect you again. Hi. Omoye me. It's too much. Benin musician, aba yiva obugbe, baba le obugbe. Or abugbe edoye de. Now so mama they tell me that time. He will say lovely, I'll say mama. He will say oh abugbe edoye de. Wa na wa. Make una enter house. It's too much. Ha, aba yiva le no osha se, baba le oge no say. These people went there, brother. Give them about this finish. And then those people now they go spray for now. If you still reach house, one commenter just comment. Maybe the commenter won't comment now Nigeria and that person deal. When all face people went there, brother. Wait till now went there, bro. That beg. Who be? But who comment that comment and if it be say no be Nigeria, now Nigeria, now that person deal. If it be say no be abroad, that person deal. This musician, when you go do good for finish, when it comes to abuse people when they're abroad, they go sit down. Where you doing? You not get waiting now want do me. You not get waiting now want do me. But now forget say now Europe, now in Meduna, now Europe carry na come for Europe people carry na come for dustbin. Some of them before where me where they lie, he can't to le lian. Call reach today. He can't to le lian because no matter how you go clean rich, where we see can or we are where it's too much. Was it boo boo? I did boo boo, eh? I did boo boo, eh? Wait till na carry, wait till na they cook when no greed done. Wait till now they cook, we no gree done. See wetin Abatobaze do Akpobe. When Akpobe de France, Akpobe confused on top of stage. He confused. They tell him say Abatobaze they live scream you. Akpobe confused. 2 months. This small room go reach them do party. This small room when I did so, when I put my best so, you go reach the do party. Eh? If it be me, a room will know why you know because una want to collect that money from una sister. Una never come one day say una go advise una sister, make they do something back home. And then I wish when they say do something back home. That will leave do something back home. You can't they fight me. Lovely, me I look me I look where I look where I look that time when they say do something back home. Not be only Asian people they talk, they sit out to Bini. While we job ekpisimenti or ekpisimenti. The time when they say no do something go has that ekpisimenti ni go no. Or a 200, 1,500. Now ekpisimenti na 800,000. 800,000 na ekpisimenti be. 800,000. Vava me bivalu. Well say you dey craze. Now my person you dey talk to, who be your person? Who be that your person? When person no go fit talk to, who be that person? It's like one day, may I check whether or Saturday, or Sunday, maybe or Sunday, or Saturday I will do shopping. I will cook because my food for fridge don't less. I want refill again. E mamele ne, me ale ma fo meri. I want avoid off nu dolo. Like is a finu dolo. I know they hear what do not concern me, nothing concern me, because now you not concern me. Now the truth now can't talk. Sandra Agbogun. This message when you give so, this one I am a bomb message. Goni san fien ou fone goni san yero. Una si say una market don't they fall, una don't they expire. And they found another trick one I will carry con. Una don't see so una don't they expire. Una think so una get sense. I pity the people where they can't waste their money. I don't see dance one at the dance. Me alone lonely so. I don't see music on at the dance. If now start jeta, they'll say everywhere go scatter. Oseme no woman, oseme we taking. Nuya woman, muye we osewe o. Osalobo adobo yen no ri mere oguwe o. Osalobo ade, onya ya gbuke ya. Oh, ovele la kukodu. Owe, wa du ma wodo naga na mie e wokpan. Onye mega se no du e ma. Well, ilo any mehu, any musician ni mehu. Nada do hwe mere banwa. Oni okpa ki gbo hwe mere de na si wo tore egwausa. Egwausa hwe mo ki jabe genya olokun no seven ori owo hwe. Iki hwe ndo na si wo tore. Awe very well be I rather keep your body yeki. Owe no du do mi la afia mafia. Any musician. Be why choy. Ni va huina. Mwere, si obo, osalobo afi gbugbe o, ukian dewu, ukian gwagwa, oni aya gbuke ya. Oni ayo ni gbuke na. Iwine ye. Awamye. Imasogwe, ukian taptu kemere o. The people where they play guitar, they don't know what they play. Graya imojeta. This one when on no run this our bros, this our handsome brother. A musician Yahweh true. On that one with guitar, one more bang. Never I call they say bro. I will say bra. It all bra. Make your well slow. That first of the direct be. See us I am song. I dey watch that guy well. Oni rule ade we bo amoni wo wa. Osayomore song. That boy. He wanna also. If that guy they sing Osayo, if Osayomore song they sing Osayomore music, I go teach Osayomore see they alive. It was Osayomore say river go. I like that boy die. Me what I see Nigeria make up me musician. Now that boy now go carry. And not be now that one not the pokpe say in the webo. In Nigeria wa mu obvious Amore wa mu in Nigeria. Ave na I muya. They know they carry all those one for Nigeria. All those one, they be invited. All those Benin musicians when they come abroad. Now invited that they invite them for occasion for Nigeria. I lie. I they wash. Always I say make I keep quiet. Make my mouth to not see go drive me go enter where I'm not supposed to enter because you sabok balama. Benin people we are getting workers are wearing this agbonya na agbawe. Inviting Nana. I never see where they see like Sandra when he did now. He said be musician. Now inviting either they invite her they go on another occasion. Una know they see, I always they see Sandra. Sandra they go occasion. I say musician. They go invite musician come occasion. Don't be say they carry Sandra make come play. If Sandra is a invitee, I invite my people. If I lie, no, I don't say I lie because I dey watch you now. I don't say me I be that kind of person. I know they quit talk, but if I want break table leg, I don't they fear anybody. I'm going to run a gben when you will be somewhere very soon there. Or my kind man, you know, consign me. Sandra Agbogun is an invitee that they always they invite her. Another musician go invite her come occasion. Me my me or stage there or see one. There is some musician when they see some Benin women, some young girls when they sing for Nigeria, they go there on stage. In ya see one. Sandra now when they come sing for people for abroad, for Nigeria, then they invite and come occasion. They know they carry as musician. My people, if I lie, make una say lovely, you lie. Because me, I know how to watch well. I know they too rush into people life. Before I go come talk, I don't know, say, I get evidence. I go throw away the audio evidence. Sandra, I lie. Now abroad, they can't tell us, say, you be musician. Oh. For Nigeria, where you musician? Where Nigeria, where musician? Where musician? Me why I go near a musician? Where Nigeria? Hey, bro, we know say that man a musician. I want a musician me. Uwaneke na inviting now they still now. If another musician for Nigeria they play, una go they spray for musician. I invite to wa all those musicians when they come Euro. My people more na true look am. Why me I there? Una don't see they say that they play. That they get some musician. Who does about you? Ni Dr. Afile nya no vibe every about the time. Dr. Afile, before weeks go runs out, even audio week self, audio days when they week, Dr. Afile, it from, party they enter party, occasion they enter occasion, occasion they enter occasion. See, the second guy, no play piano. That's all that one still be. That's all that one still be. See, Osayomore Pikin. Osayomore Pikin, no, they come abroad, say, they come this summer, they come, every summer they come. No! See, the day once Osayomore Pikin, they London, everywhere scatter. Or once in a while. Okay, I'm a velo. Once in a while, go sweet. When this guy come, they play music. I come right out for comment. I say, you are the son of your father. In a way, everywhere beware. You are the son of your father. Now I write for comment for dear. People hit to that comment. When you come, they sing papa music. Ay, Jesus Christ. Invite una we be musician when they Nigeria. Una not be musician. Musician when they Nigeria, we know them. Like the Stanley, you don't know one. If Stanley ke ya a musician, any awa muya in Nigeria. Awa muya in Nigeria. I will Sandoka with the group. I muya, emi na ya inviting a vocation. That they invite them. That they invite them. Person the celebrant, they invite them, they come. I muya. Because who want use una music they dance? Nobody. Nobody they use una music they dance. Not tamara why let us low. You people should go back to music school. Okay, now. There's all of una when they sing now. Where una for learn musician. Do you are learn musician? We are na nya wine. O wine no name na vai bi wa choy. Egbe vai. Bi wa choy. Avasa no wa magbe. Avasa no wa magbe. I think now this person teacher how to sing. Leto Sayomori. Na a boy to. Not be boy. Okay. Oni nya won le oni that man here swilo aye me. Now that one na baba na. That one na baba. Oni for since when they come Europe, the day when they say me that one say they go carry all group. Now so that one talk. That one say they go carry. See the day when he go this thing London. When he get up like this, if you do like this, he make bang. That you about when make bang. That they said that scatter. Now once in a while, now those one they come. Una when they come every day, vaye gole oye shame velo. O me velo aba. Aye ki opagbe, aye sharing. If you two go one market all the time. They all follow you buy something again. They'll say, it's too much. Every day they carry this food, come here. Or not dweki, or agbojeki ubegoena. Aho, ogboshen chi uromi. Iri aho, ogboshen ki ebele. Osien, ogboshen ki ujokba. Iri ene dweki red dweki. I say, I want to jokba, I want to I want benega. How can they, the people want they say that they call they play for una, musician, when they call they play for una. For abroad, for Nigeria, they be invited. Santa Agboguna invited now. They invite and they come occasion. I don't see many occasions where they invite and they go. A musician in Nigeria, I was born out a musician. Oh, every musician safe. No. Movie. No, they are not the movie they are to. You know they have movie again. Na movie na I know Sandra Puto. I don't know. It won't be like that one. Where is it? When Genevieve sing. That is I love you. That is Chinese. I will beat you. That is I love you. That time you know see that time. Audio actress. All of them come for music. Mr. Ibu. The day music, all of them. Toto Dike, wait till they call her. Mama Susu, Patient Uzoku, all of them come with this thing. I will chop your money disappear. All of them come be musician. One set it, all of them. Do you know what? Waiting one person they do, everybody will just want me they do one. Una two get low throat for money. It's too much. Okay, if this woman come now, which music they sing? I don't like see music when they sing. I don't see music. I don't care, no river. I don't know that one. That one will come. My yon shame to wido, elele kube, my yon shame to wido, elele kube, zeka, yelusaleto. My people, that thing, now story that time, not be music. Now so now another was ditiketing we got the dancing my yon shame to wido. Now when I was growing up, even this small girl now when they sing, they never even born herself. When they grow up that time. Now story, now it be my yon shame to wido. Now the capacity go from Nigeria, from Isha, from Isha take a motor go reach Benin, from Benin take motor go Lagos, from Lagos enter flight. They come United Kingdom. What could they sing? My yon shame to wido. Okay, hard person want to dance for that one. What frustration? What you not do years back? Now I see they do. Wait, they say most of una no get land. You go see a woman of 25 years for Europe. And tall. They not get land. Oh no, you go manage the daughter or already want to. Don't have the body very high. Heavy. The one we still manage nothing. The one we don't even build, they don't build this half. You know where musician dey. The worst part of it, everything when they pay for body, na ungongoro. Ringo, Ringo, ungogoro. This is the come pack and put for body. Nothing. Woman when don't spend 25 years for abroad, 30 years for abroad. Now ungogoro, now na papu for body. Common gold, una no get. Women when they get gold, they inside house, they know they party. Ask. Oh, no kidi go the gold. FCC, Fia. Ekenona they go to your shop. Or Akia have a sevano venyoru. He will say, Bajono signora. Or Bajono signora. You say, Bajono. You will say, I still get 100 euro. You will go put on for, you will go put on for, down for there. You see, you will lasha, poco so the, adesso. You will say, no problem. You will see other Jonah. Women, when they do something, yeah, cool. And then they go party, oh, and they crazy. Yeah, work okay. A 1,000 euro, you turn when they carry go house, they can't go come 100 euro for inside. They demand. Eh? Now, they say if those people where they spray for now for abroad, if they still reach Nigeria, if they do something, make the musician when they come from Benin to abroad, make they still go see they assist there. Make they still go they spray for them. For where? Where? Why now you they talk, huh? Every no job and disgrace arrest worry. Something when you not go use your brain to do. Now disgrace, now you go take common for there. Disgrace, shame and disgrace. Very soon I go enter house. Shame and disgrace. By the time when people say all the whole police don't they drive you now. I think why it do to I want I see Germany there. The Germany cannot be where for go the DC or one akpobe. Before you know, it can't go via the area one year. Yes, they are put out for prison, not concerned that you are making noise in our country. It's too much. Walugbe, una too they do. Una too wicked. Aban wa so wa gabani wa we gyorie. The rubber plantation one they tap all the time. One see give her 3 years, may see he. Why we win again? Why we you do? When we are musician, oh, or why again? I read do. Why you swear ukobu? Why we do wa? And then me oh. Why we not do wa? If you have a man there, a webo. Why would you see oh? I just see that music. I go find now. If you have a man there, webo. Why would you see oh? Oi kobo wa miewewa, oi peni wa miewewa, wa doya we mi yo wa o. You get the way when the musician tesiga ukodo. I like ukodo music well. If you ever man ne I tesiga ne red webo wa doya we mi yo wa o. Oh, why we ni ado we mi yo wa. I wa the ticket wa no ganya de webo. I'm here in the Torino, we are coming for you. We'll come scatter now. God save you now. Say the guys when they did Torino, it's so regan. Yeah, regan, but you waru. The guys when they Torino, they don't enter house. It's so regan, it's so bad. If not, why shall be agbomaji? Any honey amun way agbomajo. Yeah, agbomaji waru. Why you read to ask one? I don't know the kind of music one they sing. Abemekuna go musician school. Why mona go musician school, mona go there. Go they sing. Nonsense buhaha. Me ma be so. I beg you, wa wicked. Why will say advising here? Wa me why a musician ni arena me ma mi wa ma we genya. If you teme ni rewebo, wa we yo wa o If you tell me ni do something back home, una not do. They went bring. And then when bring do something back home, come. He leave something back home. Because they pursue me. Maybe that one for see they even tell now say do something back home. No, he can't leave something back home. You know they say lovely. I look me buwe. Me I look me sure na. Any funny men we dage na. Picture no see me where the phone na. Me I look me buwe. Me I look me buwe. He leave what he won't do. He can't they saga me. Maybe from then now, so we'll see they say they want to do something, go back house. What the these people are not gonna kill me. Yeah. Nah, what? What? People will not be musician for Bini. If they don't reach Molutala Mohammed, then they go abroad, they'll go be musician. And I invite here. Another musician, they invite them. Person when if they do something, that they invite them come their occasion. For Bini, they not be musician. They will come abroad, they'll come be musician. Maybe have a millionaire, we yes, we this way. You must swear, oh. Ekin wadoye shama wa oh. Una don't see who go tell una. Because if person want tell una na, una go they fight and say, yeah, you the jealousy me, you the jealousy. I jealousy anybody, oh. Me jealousy. I don't know how to jealousy anybody. I'm a woman of my own. Woman of integrity. Woman of and then they now bio. No say me I the lock up. Me I not the can't they flash myself. No. I be lock up person, you know. Okay. My people, it be like say we will get day. Make we take talk this issue. This Edo musician, I beg. 3 years, make una not come abroad again. If no, na not come sing. If una want come for holiday, you can come for holiday. You can do your holiday. Yeah, you can visit for your summer holiday, but it don't do. It don't do. If 24-bit they carry that they come sometimes, I will say these people know too much. If you want carry them come now sing, they want come sing. Just carry them so okay, wanna come see Europe. Why we are you? How they see now because of herself, now that they just say they even they hear una beat small because the they echo. I will say now outside, therefore don't they know whether una they sing. I don't know what una they sing. But also, what una they sing. See sister where they now. That one yesterday now, yesterday he come out. He say oh music. He know the feel play music again. Waiting at those states no fit do. You know they exist. Musician no they fit play in music again. Because it too much. Or too much igbe. Any are too much igbe. Oh yeah, man. As a musician, as you they sing that music, you supposed to put copyright. No be now like Esther Dokpa Yina. Esther Dokpa, a musician, you see the P Square. The P Square music. If you put on that they season, you go they dance. The music go they play, you go they dance. You go they dance. For Facebook, you no go hear the music. Person will come to say, who come they drum for you when you take the dance? But you they play the P Square music, go lie to lie. You know fit. Even the flavor na banya, it be not get copyright. It don't dey. All of them don't dey. Now, if musician when sing music now, one can they do live, say he want come sing in music, they go put copyright. How you want to do that one now? How? He's supposed to they stand, sit down, and some musician and their music now that they play. If they sit down, they do live. As I talk about you now, no they fit play in music again. Because a lot of live video presenter, they put copyright. Yes. Only where how you want to do now? My suka Bernard no know who get music. My sugar bear no know get music. Na so now, too much of everything is bad. Oyo abugbe edoye de. Why they are in the way? Me una still say, it don't too much. Why they I where for example say, you not be musician. Every year you go feed the use until they come abroad. You know how much when it be. Say you they come abroad, you buy ticket, then you come here, come do summer holiday. You know how much you go home. I don't be saying that they come now, all the people when they dash the something while they are there, una go see buy avec mieux zélé fois, why we bale 5 kilo, bale 5 kilo. Why we guy nebo. People would they happy say, hey, yeah, the guy, why do you know one worry in wa? I wa here. Una be pot. Now so pot that they put the pot I left for me. Why ya pot because the pot to the other for me. It's too much. This is getting too much. I don't know who, especially Benin people, when it comes to musicians, who want to impress. They say those that see the dance of a snake, he said millipede not feel impress. Who want to impress? If those people they talk today, they go party, they go party. People when they say they go party, ma ye party malawa. Ma ya ye party. Elesi ma ye party. 500 euro. Or I cheap igbe or na 200 euro. With the shoe, with this thing, handbag with the shoe, it go be 500 euro. Sometimes 600 euro. Plus the less of 500 euro when you buy, you don't already stand with 1,000 euro. Better gold will be say you go come put. Zigi corona. Or it's on one rule party. And the party ye party where they use raw thing till they go party. Raw, you'll see lace. Extra lace. My ye party, yeah, they lovely, not they go party now you are. Are the party, I see less 100, are they less 100, are they get tell say I are party. Maka ye party, 500 euro less. Only gele where you go carry, ma digele, we bo 100 euro. Igele. I digele we bo 100 euro. Anyway, you go new. I feel like I wait the less when they use the money by today. That 500,000 naira, 500 euro naira daily less again. The day 500 euro in your account now say yareba. Go down heap. Could be big money. Where person, what the person first do before, where you old school by this time now old school. Now I see there's a big party. Now frustration now frustrate. Old school where be say he go party before, where be say he home money. You know the Dweki show. If you want to go Nigeria, go enjoy yourself for Nigeria. Now Nigeria that they go now go they enjoy themselves. Why she lazy koroje gbe for ne wa ari party. Why they say they don't come party. From their head to their toe, waiting they take dress, it not reach 300 euro. I beg you make una enter house. You people should do something back home. And then I wish when bring British or Baka. And then I wish when bring do something back home come. She live on because of saga. Now suppose to they do something back home. If you reach Benin now at this moment, half house, knife for everywhere. I will they'll say this house of an onion one I will boji. The second one of an onion one I will more mufwa I will boji. The second one of an onion one I will boji. Inya wa belly no wa kere. Inya ma belofo. If they see who don't build the whole finish. Now I'll let you and I'll let you don't build house. Now let you don't build. And all person when Innova build house. Now they talk. Now they If you see say the post house, you go say I beg. People don't they build them before. You build 2 rooms na house. You will build them. The compound you go make poi. If you sit down, you go make poi build. Now only person when you no build house, when you no feel lay foundation, now they tell say now only you want the build. I bet try am. But we'll try. If you own 100,000 now, 100,000 will give you 10 bags of cement. Maybe you can calculate it to 2,000 when they inside. If he give you like 12 bags of cement, yes, 12 bags of cement, maybe okay, yes, now so go take give you. No, now they do anything. Una dey for here, una dey me nyaga. Sandra want to advise people when they are advise musician. Which musician they advise? The one when they come Europe, now they advise. Because why a musician in Nigeria? We bo wana do aha me a musician wahi. Another see the soon as they play for Nigeria. Me my mi why we e de gbe aya mi wa vocation. Me my mi Emina, I invite to our vocation. Why a musician in Nigeria? We bo na come they say why musician they see this guy when they use party days, you know what they ogbete wuvu nisan ave ya ogbete wuvu nisan. That boy they sing. Benin people when they abroad, I don't feel empower that guy. Now feel empower him. See this guy, TikTok, that guy when they play for, when they use Monica they sing. That boy still they sing. Una no feel empower that guy. You got another Benin guy again, you still they sing. Now feel empower him. You got one Benin boy again, you still they sing. You no feel empower him. And those musicians they sing past the one when they from Nigeria they come Europe. I already know obuwa ogene vuenlo. Obuwa vuenlo. They say nearby native daughter. They don't look and reach anything. Another people from another village. Now then they look and reach something. Now they look and reach anything. Sandra Sandoka. Wait till you can't talk so. I beg make una enter house. Say now you can't know. Why why you can't talk? After how many years? Since una don't they come now, they tap una brothers and sisters when they Europe. They'll say lovely shout out now your money that they tap. Now if they cry come now we don't come see cry come meet. My way say oh call you so where you go where you go where you the musician call you remain small. You have a FIFO. They'll carry kabu go house. The one where they keep for us, they'll come go carry out. Some of them, money when government give them, they take care of their self, they take care of their children. Then they go sprang for party. Now, there most of una for inside, that they think they do something, go back to Nigeria, do something back home. Now, sound that they beg the musician when they don't know for Benin, when they know for abroad, when they play cool music, they give people when they abroad. Now, Sandra Sadoka don't send message for now. Say the people when una call they tap for abroad, if they reach Nigeria, make una they honor them for Nigeria. If they see invite una for occasion, make una see they reach the occasion. Make una know they tell them say, I don't get time. And they go so occasion like this. But these people will have time for you people. If una come abroad, these people will come home. They go stay more than 5 hours. Person when they do night work, 5 hours, you know how much 5 hours you go give her? You know how much 5 hours you go give her? You know how much? He said, make una if people wey una dey tap for abroad, if they reach Nigeria, make una they honor them. If they still they do something, they invite una, make una still they come they honor them. While they are day. May una still dey come waiting. Sandra Sadoka talk be that. Sandra Sadoka, you know, it's over. It's time for you people to give you guys 3 years before una go come If you want to travel, you can travel. You can, since you dey come abroad and you don't have friends, you can come and spend holiday, summer holiday, you can go back. But the sing one I come dey sing, now the same sing now na dey sing. Okay, Sadoka, as you come now new sing, now you won't come sing. No. This boy, now all of una when una chigon put for the poster. Now new song, now na carry corner. No, I've been people, how not they dance for say song. Say song, say song. If now kodo they come abroad now, not be the music where if I take con sing last 3 years. No be one con sing if he come this year. Now another one I want con sing. Well, away if you have a member, if you have a man there a webo, why would you see oh why we go we see? Why they have your door wow now why they have dollars oh ade ure not be so singer. No, now we'll come this thing. Why no na try no na find another country go. The people when they there now so they'll take the look now. Now they say they're not even see us. They're not even see us. They say that everybody when they country they see you. Now the place on they go now goggy they worry there. Try go some country. They not go even know whether una come. Who get time? I beg as una come now which music una come sing? See old music. All the time, old music. Mwere ni nyakawa, oseve no seve, yagwe, inyakawa, yanyakawa, evi lokpa ite, ayume o, pio. Why so baby? I beg, it don't do. May I live when I go sleep. You don't do too much of everything is bad. Being a musician where they come abroad, if you are from Edo State, you dey come abroad, come dey play Make una take break. You people should take break. Amiogo nikbeya. Why any chongo nikbeya? Ogo nikbeya where you see how life they be. But una don't know how they take they use life una dey rush. Are you one day ya make it go? Now they use 1 year to make money when person go take better. This life now step by step. Now they think they do this life. People, the time when they farm that time, where mugbo the ground where you for plant, the land where your farm land where you for plant, last year, as this year can not be you go plant. Even next year, not be there you go plant. Only at your ogo nikbeha. After you don't plant, as you plant for the farm last 3 years, then last year, you will plant for another one. This year, you will plant for another one. You see that land when you for plant last 3 years, then you will go back there again, go plant again, because the ground now, it don't see strong. Now, so now they do things. It's too much for now. More than no they give people when they are abroad advice. Advice one they give people, this one they talk. Now for now all benefits. It's for you guys benefits. You people talk of your benefits. You talk for the favor of your benefits. What you guys are doing is not benefit Edo people. Yes, we have to speak. If not like I say, oh yes, I'm swing there. They are my people too. Yes, they are my people too. Yes. They are my people. Let them put their money. Nigeria, my darling. Not be so Nigeria will be one day. Person will come repair Nigeria. I'm frustrating me in the webo. I don't understand. Why have here five breakery? Why yamugia? I have finished. Money when government tell us say, why take care of yourself and take care of your children. Instead of una to use the money to they do academic for una children, they pay una children game and shirt and everything, sports shirt and all. No, why you waye a kerokba in a the money one are supposed to they train una children, una to go they waste time for all those musicians. What did they happen? How can one musician go conjure for 5 times in a year? Musician, you too wicked. Una be winch. Azenvachen. Ona yo bobo wak bukuwiniva. Azo bobana. Native doctor no do this juju. Now una winch be this one. Musician just one musician just come Europe for inside 1 year 4 times. Siobonike. What's your bonike? Or shot too much, but you have waiting. This is an abuse. You are abusing the people in Europe. This is not good. There is no respect. Why were they are respecting baby? One, the same state when Sandra go play. Tomorrow, this one when the yellow when sit down for there, go play for there. Next tomorrow, Akbobe will come play. The same place, oh, the same hall. Another day, another one will come play. Before you know, another one will come play. My people, that one good. You don't too much. You too much. If you attack that lovely, shut up. I get what they use my money do. Whether don't know budget, I get my own house for there. And they build my own corner for there. If I reach Bini, I will stay for Bini Bada. If I reach Ishan, I will stay for Ishan Bada. As I don't stay rich for Bini, for Ewe Boya, he said, though, I'll go rent. He rent to what? If I want to stay Bini, I'll go rent apartment. Are they crazy? My own place? I don't have my place. He rent to what? I bought my land there. You don't have any that luguabo. Yes. If I dey talk, I talk. And if I dey talk, now what they do, now make me they talk. I make me they tell most of people where they follow me say, make una they keep una money, make una they use less una money. More they use lesser. You'll see some people now, they will reach Nigeria, they'll go they sleep hotel. And make thief not come. Which how many people thief don't key? There's some people when they from Europe, they go Nigeria, they did their house. See this person that day, Julie London, my house is there. A lot of people. I'm your one, no, the ticket to go to Nigeria. Now don't carry camera, now let face now that they see say una de Nigeria. I'm your rockba. It can't be like say party na this is say na investment. Party na investment for where una day. It's party investment. The money that you will use to invest in your life, you are spraying the money away because people don't know the value of currency. School or whatever. Who said that Vavaji school? Because it's school full of those states. People don't know the meaning of currency. You play with currency, you use less currency. How much? I bet €5 for Nigeria. Now go check how much it be. €5. I beg make una say bad poor. This musician where they come for where una for they come, whether I don't say to una for they come, I beg. Many people say, it's too much. For now, like when I come and say, lovely, shut up. For now, insult me, I go insult una back because una not rich. I say, too much. True not say me they no talk. When I give una self 3 years. When I leave these people. This dance one they carry they come. So husband and wife that they quarrel for inside house. We so we can soon. Quick. The woman go say, you know they use here yes a musician come. Then they fight. Because anything when reach una hand, I must use and take fight and disgrace una self. It's too much. I want soon waiting. See that one now when he did Nigeria, I say, no una come buy land. For one man when they act movie, no, I can't buy land for her. As when I buy land for her, now see they build money, when I see they bring money, one I will take build that. Because when I don't build for some people, now they come see to say make una can't build for this man. How they tell they do something? If you see say the house when the man they too old, go and rent apartment. You talk say this man make una come rent apartment for her. It's good. Or when one rent one. Where the money for the con? Bini people. Now they do one. Now Bini people now they do one. Oh now they nya we they na o ma bie. Ege ma yare Nigeria o no ma bie. A koboku gbe ya we mi na. Oh, no. The man is not crying for where he's living. Oh, man, no, 35 years he will wa. Oh, they just want to push that man to the camera. From there, they collect money for people, huh? All the name of that man. You people is going to stop it. That woman video, I'll go find her. I'll go blow and put for air. We want scatter everywhere. Enough is enough. I want to lovely now your money, now my money. Because at the end of the day, if they gog, now why here they sharp put. You are a webo, you are a webo. We are my maker, you are my maker. So don't sha. Now they pay us. As far as I'm a live video presenter, I must talk. People may leave now. One love. Sandoka, I beg if you play finish this one, go has 3 years time, can't play again. It's too much. You not be musician, sir. Now you, I say be musician, or not that they invite you for party, not be play. They say they not carry you for party. Say now you they play for the party today. Me that they invite you for occasion, but you know they play for the occasion. Now only you want be musician with the rest. When I see all of them when they come, I don't see. Now only I don't want to even they mention a name, because of power they all of them are the same. Of power, if you talk say na this one good pass, that one will they happy say, hey, say na me good pass, all of them are the same. What na wajai? See us your more son. Don't we need that gbe? Don't we need that all that? If you want come abroad, you just come stroll. Rubbish. I will job out jebo. I will job out jebo. Nonsense. I will come run this video. Maybe let me check whether I can run on Sunday. That day I go bath, come sit down. My boy tame one. Too much for now. On a good night, my darling people. One love. The truth must to be told. Let's say it. Because we there abroad. We don't come play. We don't come do something back home. As the British talk back, I talk, they didn't wish. Make una do something back home. Now, bye-bye.